Aloha mai kako, everyone. My name is Taizha, or you can call me Keakealani or Kea. But today we are going to be making poi bowls. Alrighty, what we have here now is just a bunch of the ingredients that you can get from any local store, supermarket, farmer's market. This is pretty much just kind of preferred fruits that we like to add to our poi bowl. This is the Manaulu variety, so as you can see, there's no purple consistency. It's got a little bit more of a whitish color to it. We have here some anahola granola, blueberries, raspberries, bananas, strawberries, blackberries, and some honey. And that's pretty much all you need. This is a just quick, fast, easy, and it's very healthy. So first off, you want to obviously take your poi, put it in a little bit of a bigger bowl. And we're gonna do this now. Totally up to you on how much you wanna add to the poi bowl. We're just gonna make it kind of nice here. Make a nice little foundation because we're gonna layer the fruits on top after. So here we're just gonna start adding some strawberries, some blueberries, and some bananas, and some blackberries. So the poi bowl is pretty much exactly the same as making like what you would say an acai bowl or a protein bowl. Okay, so we have all the fruits here. Now it's time to add some granola. And you can add as much granola and as much fruits to your bowl as it's pretty much to what you desire. Totally up to you. And now the last but most important ingredient of them all is honey. And this is your poi bowl.